Okay, this is 2415 D1 June exam. We're going to have a look at question 3 that involves Dijkstra on a network that I've just shown you. It wants us to Dijkstra from A to K. So we're going to go straight into that, 6 marks. So we make A0 and box 6, that's our permanent marker. This is 16 from A. This is 44 from A. This is 14 from A. So the idea is any permanent or vertex you've just boxed the value, you have to look down every arc or edge and put temporary labels at each of those places, and we indicate where it comes from. So we've got 16, 44 and 14. 14 is the smallest, so that's the one I'm going to box permanently. Looking from 14, we add 14 to get 28 from C here. 14 plus 15 is 29 from C here. 14 plus 23 is 37 from C here, which is smaller than 44, so we cross out 44. The last one is back to O, but O has already been boxed, so it's a permanent marker, so we can't change it. We now look at the 4 temporary markers. 16 is the smallest. Temporary labels, and here we go. So we've boxed 16. So looking at 16, 16 plus 19 is 35 from A. 16 plus 12 is 37 from A. 16 plus 20 is 36 from A. Cross out 37C. Looking at what we got, 28, 29, 36, 37, 35. 28 is the smallest. 28 plus 16 would be too big, so I'm not going to put anything there because it's bigger than what's the temporary marker already there. 28 plus 19 is 47 from H. 28's done, and that's permanent. So that's all I can do. So we stand back and we look at what we've got. 29 is the next smallest. That's already got a permanent marker on it. So we're going down here. 29 plus 17 is 30. 46, which is one smaller, so 46 from G, and we cross out H. 29 plus 14 is 30. 40, it's too big, so we don't put that there. That already has a permanent marker, so that's all we can do. Stand back, look and see what's the smallest. We've got 35 over here. Box 35. 35 plus 14 is 49 from D. 35 plus 19 would be bigger than E, so we don't do it, and this one up here is already boxed. Stand back, look what we've got left, and we've got a 36, I think is the next smallest, so we're going to box 36. Right, 36, that was from B as well. Can't go back up, can't go up here, but we can go this way. 36 plus 20 would be 56, it's too big. Down here, 36 plus 12 would be 48, which we can do. So 48 from F and cross out that one. 36 plus 34 is 60, 70 from F. 36 plus 9 would be 45 from F. We cross out the other one. 36 plus 14 would be too big. So that's all of them done. That's the biggest one, it seems. Looking at what we've got left, temporary, 37, 45, 70 and 48. I'm going to box 37. 37 this way is done. Up there is done. To the right is done. So we can only go down. So 37 plus 10 is 47 from E, which is bigger than F, or is smaller than the one from F. We have 45, 47 and 70. I'm going to box 45. 45 plus 19 would be 65, 64 from J. Cross out that one. Up there's done, up there's done, up there's done. So that's it. I'm going to box 47. That's the next smallest. That one's done, that one's done, that one's done. So it's down here. 47 plus 14 would be 57. Plus 3 is 61 from, what is that one there? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Oh, cross out the one underneath. This is the last one, so I box it. Okay, so that's Dijkstra done. So it's taken 61. So that's all of it with the correct markings. And we look, so state the corresponding route. Okay, so the corresponding route, going backwards, you've reached K. From K you go to I. So from I, which was over here, we went to E. From E we went to, wasn't A at all, was it? It was B. From B, and from B we went to A. So that is our corresponding route. Okay, so that gets this extra mark. On a particular day, Jenny travels from A to K and visits her friends at D on her way. Find Jenny's minimum travelling time. So she goes from A to K but visits her friend D on the way. Okay, so if she goes to D first, the shortest route to D is 35 from B, that should say. Did I get that all wrong? But the letters aren't important when you're doing this. It's only to help you route backwards, and you realise that when you've written the wrong letter. So 35 from B and then back to A. So she's on 35, and then from here, really by inspection, you can see that the quickest route is going to be down here and down here. So you're going to add 28, which gives you 58, which gives you 63. So that would be the shortest route. And then for C, on a different day, all roads connected to I are closed due to flooding. And Jenny does not visit her friend at D. Find the minimum time to travel from A to K. State the route corresponding to this minimum time. So on a different day, all roads to I are closed. Okay, so we're going to have a look. So she wants to go to A to K, but all roads to I, which is this one here, are closed. So she can get near it, but not close enough. So she's got 14 there. So she comes from I, which then comes from E, which is over here. So seeing as she can't, so from K then, if this new route, where you can't go to K, so you're from K. If we look back here at I, she then travels up here, but this 14, you don't want to go straight up here, so your next choice is going this way and this way. So I think definitely she's going to have to go J then F backwards. And then from F, you want the shortest to get to. So you've gone the other way, you can see it's F, and then from F, you're going to go to B because that's the shortest route back. And then from B, A, and then you just have it add up where you go. So A, B, F is 36, and J is 45. So the shortest to here is 45, and then add 16. So 45 and 16 is going to be 55. 55, 61 would be the shortest route.